For a long time, roofers have been using tar paper or felt paper as an underlayment underneath your shingles. Thank goodness those days are behind us and there are a lot better options for you today. So first things first, what is underlayment? Why is it important? And what role does it play on your roof? Well, it's extremely important because it's your secondary barrier. Right underneath your shingles, you'll find your synthetic underlayment or your felt paper. And it's important because this product actually blankets the entire roof prior to your shingles being installed. And so the underlayment installation can determine the integrity of your roofing system. So up until this point, tar paper or felt paper has been a good option, but a lot of things have changed, and one of the reasons why we've moved on from tar paper is because it is not a very strong product at all. One of the reasons why durability and strength is important is because when this goes down, we still have a lot of products on the roof to install, which means there's gonna be a lot of traffic on top of this product once it's installed on the roof system. And as you can imagine, when roofers are walking back and forth, they can catch an edge of this while it's sitting down flat on the roof, and it can tear. It can rip. Most of the time, contractors will be required to pull up that whole roll that just tore to replace it with a solid piece. But a lot of contractors will just simply staple down over that tear, and now you have a vulnerability on your roof system. Tar paper is also a lot heavier than the products that we're using today, meaning that when we upgrade to the newer, lighter products, we're removing some of the weight and stress off of the framing members in your attic space. In addition to the weight, we're also removing a heat-retaining material. So the lighter products that we're using today won't retain the same heat as tar paper, lowering the temperature in your attic space as well. So now that we're gonna move on from the tar paper or felt paper option that's been traditionally used in the roof replacements, we're gonna move into the synthetic options. Now, just like with everything, there are tons of synthetic options available. Today we're gonna talk about those, the benefits of each, and which one's right for you on your home. Now, when it comes to synthetic options, there's one that stands out amongst the rest, and that is the Deck Armor product by GAF. And the reason why this product stands in a league of its own is because not only is it much stronger than felt paper, not only is it much lighter, not only does it not retain the heat like we've already discussed, but this is one of the only synthetic underlayments on the market that is also breathable. And why does that matter? It's important because over the last 15 to 20 years, we've faced challenges that we didn't see prior to that in the roofing industry. And that's because houses used to naturally breathe. In the last 15 to 20 years, we've become way more energy efficient, meaning that we've got more energy efficient windows, we've got more energy efficient doors, and we've sealed up a house that used to breathe naturally. And that's okay. That's actually good for the home as long as we've got proper moisture management in the attic space. You know, in those older homes, we used to have drafty windows. The wind blew, the curtains moved, didn't matter if the window was open or closed. And for that reason, the moisture that was built up inside the home from cooking, cleaning, and bathing would ventilate naturally. In today's world, that same moisture is rising up into your attic space. What's crazy is we can actually create a rain system inside your attic space due to heavy moisture buildup in that same attic space. The way we fix that is we introduce a product like Deck Armor. This is the only moisture managing, breathable underlayment that will allow moisture to build up and escape, but not let moisture into your home. Now, when it comes to the Deck Armor option, in addition to the benefits we've already discussed, you can notice that this has a very good coverage area. Unlike your typical tar paper and felt paper that usually is only a 3-foot roll, this comes in a 4.5-foot roll, which means that you have less seams on your roof and less likely for vulnerability. The other thing that's super important about this product is that it is installed with plastic cap nails, not traditional staples like you'll see with most of the competitors or other contractors. Now, also from GAF, there is the Felt Buster Synthetic Underlayment. Now, this is going to be a far superior option over your felt paper, and it is still a much stronger, lighter option than the felt. The other option that comes from GAF as well is Tiger Paw. Tiger Paw is a synthetic underlayment. No matter the synthetic underlayment that you choose or your contractor chooses for your home, be sure that your contractor is installing your synthetic underlayment with plastic cap staples or plastic cap nails. This is the proper installation, as traditional staples will actually allow for an opening due to the woven integrity of these materials. Plastic cap staples or plastic cap nails are the right option for you on your home. For more videos just like this one, be sure to hit subscribe and share this video so your friends and family can see more tips and tricks from Brightside.